Hey guys, what's up? It's Sap Pup here, and today I'm gonna be. First off, I have changed my LPS name for the last time. So if you see this video, just know that I changed my channel name. It is now and forever LPS Warrior Mark. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna be singing a song called Cry Wolf. I can't remember the name that it was made by. So so that's the song that I'm going to be singing for you guys today. So let me just put this up. So let's get started. When your heart's borrowed, so stick your crooked smile and counterfeit soul. The grass is green, but underneath you're cold and hollow. So stick your crooked smile and counterfeit soul. Counterfeit soul, and you got tears. Oh, but you cry like a cheap, yeah. Don't be mad, you did it. Got you red and did it. You're so bad, yeah, get it. Made your bed and rest, didn't run and cry. Whoa, oh, oh,